So guess what I'm making today? With all these mushrooms. I'm gonna make a mushroom pizza. Why not, right? Can you see? Let me pick out some good ones. I like these kind. And these kind. I'm gonna pick out a few and wash them off and slice them up. Get some round pizza crust pre-made. Gonna work good. Easy. I like easy recipes. Cheap pizza pan. Got some leftover spaghetti sauce instead of pizza sauce, so I'm going to jazz it up with a little oregano and some garlic. Mix of mozzarella, provolone, parmesan cheese. And let's get some of these nice mushrooms out. Alright. All rinsed off, nowhere to go, except on my nice pizza dough. That might be enough. Slice them up and see how it goes. Oh, yeah. You know, they're kind of sliced like this on a pizza, huh? And that'll be enough. Man. Ultimate mushroom pizza. Take a bite. Good. Careful. Don't be like that guy on TV. That's a sharp knife. I have the toaster oven preheated to 450 degrees. Look at this. We got enough here, don't we? Yes. Sometimes I have a jar of real pizza sauce here, but leftover spaghetti sauce is gonna be good. Plenty. Pizza, cheese, what kind of cheese you like? We want to go crazy with it, or do we? Oregano on there, should put that on the sauce, but that's alright. Oregano, green-leaded garlic. We're going simple today. And mushrooms. Got me? Make these look nice. Mushroom pizza. That's all I need. I'm gonna put that in that 450 degree toaster oven or whatever you got going for about 10 minutes. See how it goes. Alright, didn't waste one of them. They're gonna be nice. In the oven. Here we go. Whoop, here we go. Hot, preheated. Ouch, careful. And it fits. If yours don't fit, just use your regular oven. Back inside there, about 10 minutes, alright? I forgot to spray the pan with Pam. But that's okay. I was just gonna spray the baking pan. I'm pretty much stick. Spin it around. I hear it sizzling up in there. This is my KitchenAid convection oven. It's nice, isn't it? I can't get this package of cheese closed, so I'm gonna put it on top of here. Whee! Almost done. Put my little extra cheese on that. Make a little mess. Hurry up. Oh, look at this. You like it? Is it bubbling in there? I say, it's getting browned up nicely, and that's it. I'm I'm gonna take it out, let it sit on the counter for a couple minutes. Whoa, boy, it smells like a pizzeria in here. Let's grab that thing. Nice. Bring yourself. Look out. Oh yeah. Isn't that delicious? Homemade mushroom pizza. I'll taste it for you. I'm gonna let it cool. But remember, life hands you a box of mushrooms. Make something out of it. Ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Ready. Oh. 4 slices or 8? Make it 8. That'll be great. Find a paper plate. Who's the lucky spatula? Here this one is. What slice do I want? These 2. Good. Take a bite. It's still kind of hot. I'm gonna do what I said I wasn't gonna do, is burn my mouth. I can't wait. I never can wait. So impatient. Boy, that's so good. And it's probably good for you too, isn't it? Alright, there's another idea for you. And something I made with the mushrooms. I'm gonna keep eating this up. Talk to you later. Stop back soon. Please subscribe. See ya.